This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you had to pick one way to eat pumpkin seeds, this is the video you need. The liquid you choose changes digestion and nutrient absorption completely. Most people focus on what they eat, but very few think about what they eat it with. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, let's break down pumpkin seeds with water, milk, and yogurt. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, iron, and plant protein. They support heart health, blood sugar balance, hormone health, and sleep quality. But pumpkin seeds also contain phytic acid. This compound can reduce mineral absorption if the seeds are eaten the wrong way. That's where the liquid makes a big difference. So first, let's discuss pumpkin seeds with water. This is the cleanest combination. When pumpkin seeds are soaked in water, phytic acid reduces. Minerals like zinc and magnesium absorb better, and digestion becomes lighter and smoother. This makes pumpkin seeds with water ideal for mornings. Water-soaked pumpkin seeds are best for people with acidity, bloating, or sensitive digestion. Soak 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds in water for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Rinse, chew well, and drink plain water alongside. Next up, pumpkin seeds with milk. Milk changes the digestion speed. Milk also contains calcium and casein protein. Calcium can compete with zinc and iron for absorption. So mineral uptake from pumpkin seeds drops. But slower digestion also means better fullness and calmer energy. This combination works better at night. Use 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. Add to warm milk, not boiling. Consume 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Avoid this if you are lactose intolerant or prone to bloating. Next up, pumpkin seeds with yogurt. This is the middle ground. Yogurt contains probiotics and lactic acid. These support digestion and improve gut tolerance. Compared to milk, yogurt allows better mineral absorption. It also helps break down seed fibers. It is best consumed during the day with meals. Use plain, unsweetened yogurt. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of soaked or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds. Avoid sweetened or flavored yogurt. So, for the morning, water-soaked pumpkin seeds are best. For the afternoon, yogurt is a good second option. In the evening, pumpkin seeds with milk in a small quantity work better. Avoid heavy seed combinations late at night if digestion is weak. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Soaking is non-negotiable if consumed daily. People prone to kidney stones should avoid excess intake. If you take zinc supplements, do not take them together with pumpkin seeds. Those with sensitive digestion should start only with water-soaked seeds. Pumpkin seeds are powerful, but the combination decides the benefit. If you found this breakdown useful, join our channel membership for science-based health insights and exclusive content, and subscribe to the Mindhunters for more clear, honest nutrition videos like this. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.